What's up, everybody? It's the Common Sense Investor coming at you with another video. I'm just sitting back this evening laughing, thinking about this video I did. As you can see, I got 6,320 views on it, August 16th, 2022. Okay, and the name of it is called, Is AMC Over Like Some Claim? Now, the reason I had to make this video was, on around August 16th, there were particular YouTubers who were telling us the play was over with because of the APE preferred equity unit, and trying to convince people to sell. And people were asking me my opinion, and so I made this video. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I had to go back and watch about 11 of my shit just to figure out which video I said what I'm about to share with y'all was. But I learned a lot watching them videos, and I laughed my ass off watching this one. And I agree with y'all, I am pretty fucking good. That was a good video. But in the video, I talked about Smokey and the Bandit, and how when that was the very first movie I ever went to see at the movie theater, my dad took us. Go watch the video, it was cute. And how before the end of the movie, my dad was ready to go. He said, we got to beat motherfuckers out of here. You know, parking lot's full. And going to concerts and having the same experience. Look, we got to leave early. I know we're going to miss the last show, but watch the video. But in this video, I answered the question of, did I think that the AMC squeeze and MOASH was over with because of APE? The introduction of APE. And I made this video and I said, look, it's just like leaving the movie theater early. If you do, you're going to miss the end of the show. And APE is not the end of the show. And I told everybody that what was going on was Adam Aaron had said that he was going to give us an AMC Hycroft Gold NFT September 30th. And in this video, I told everybody, and watch, there's a lot of talk of, is the AMC play over? You might say, CSI, when do you think this is going to wrap up? I don't know, but I can give you a clue. Because, see, a lot of people are looking at what's going on with APE as Adam Aaron's master plan, but there's more to it. I believe APE was just him making a move on his chessboard. Why? Because I know the direction he's going. He's told us that in this tweet right here. On July 8th, Adam Aaron tweeted that we honor our 728,000 existing members of AMC Investor Connect and new members joining by September 30th, 2022. You can claim in October a free golden NFT from us, and we'll pay your wax NFT wallet fees for a year, celebrating our Hycroft mining investment. There is gold in them there hills. Okay? So, like I said a minute ago, APE is just a move that he's done on the chessboard. That this isn't over come the 22nd. Alright? That he's got something lined up with AMC and Hycroft that's going to be revealed in September and October and given the Hycroft AMC golden NFT. That's going to be important to his plan. Now, to all the YouTubers out there who are breaking news, Hycroft has struck gold and silver and possibly lithium. It's not breaking news, people. I told y'all a month ago, AMC, Adam Aaron had a plan. It starts with the APE. It has something to do with the Hycroft mining ETF that I knew that they would be declaring that they found gold, or else Adam Aaron wouldn't have told us that. It's common sense. So, while some YouTubers are trying to figure out, is there 5 billion synthetics? We're using common sense to figure out and stay up to date on this play. So I encourage everybody to click the link in the cards, look in the description below, watch that video on when I told everybody they've struck gold. And I was waiting, and I set up Google alerts for Hycroft Mine and AMC Theaters, and I set the Twitter feed over in our Discord so that when Adam Aaron or Hycroft tweeted, we would get an immediate notice, and we was on top of it. And this morning, a couple of seconds after he announced it, I was able to jump in Hycroft, ride it up 21%, and cash out. So, it's not always whether you can read a fucking financial sheet or not, and rather you're the voice of reasoning or not. Sometimes it just takes a little fucking common sense. And with that, I'll let y'all go. I'm working on your implied volatility video right now, so I'll be back in touch with y'all in just a little while. Love y'all. Be blessed. See you in the next video.
Cold red, there's been a glitch in the matrix. They out here